Interested in being part of the renewable energy movement? Then working with wind turbines might be for you. We're headed to Laramie County Community College in Wyoming to have a look at their wind energy technology program.
Since we have the highest quality wind in the nation, we see a lot of wind farms going up not only in the Cheyenne area, but also just south of the college here, and we decided to capitalize on that. And we have seen that there is a great need for technicians.
That was the perfect time to begin a training program in wind energy technology.
And the position of it relative to the top of the core.
This program is designed to prepare technicians to go into the wind industry to repair utility scale wind turbines. These machines are large commercial machines. They have very complex control systems that allow them to produce energy efficiently and at its maximum capability. So from that standpoint, the technicians that work and repair and service these machines have to be highly skilled. This is the main accumulator. We can actually do a check on this.
And they learn all aspects of wind energy technology, from introduction to wind, to electricity, hydraulics, and all of the basic core skills that are needed.
They're going through the calculation of how we're actually going to draw that amount of current through it. How do we get to that full load?
Math and science are very critical. Mathematics specifically apply to the technical part of it. Our technicians have to have an understanding of how power is produced. They have to have an understanding of power quality, because this power is ultimately delivered to a utility, ends up on the grid, and then delivered to the consumer.
This would be your pressure gauge for the pump itself.
Much of the equipment that we have was donated one way or another by our industry partners.
What we have is a wind turbine nacelle. It's a Mitsubishi 1 megawatt machine that was donated to the program. We've situated that in our lab, and it's turned into an outstanding training tool. There is nothing that takes the place of actual real-world equipment when it comes to training a technician in any field. We're the only program nationally that actually offers a comprehensive climb safety and rescue training program. The goal is to really provide the students with the knowledge and confidence that they need to go out into this industry and be able to do the job.
How come we have a resistance difference in the start winding? Because the wire size is smaller.
Most of the students that are in our program, I'd say over 90% of them, are interested in a career change. The folks that are coming into this wind energy program are looking at this as something that they see as an important thing for our society and our environment. When my students come to class, people aren't sleeping. They're very focused on what they're learning. These people are excited.
Take this wire off too.
The kind of training that LCCC is giving their students is exactly the training that Duke Energy is looking for in a potential employee.
We also get a lot of good feedback and a lot of interest from other colleges who are wanting to start this program. We're being used as a good example. We're an exemplary program.
Technicians working in renewable energy fields, such as wind, are helping to build a sustainable energy infrastructure for the country, and they're giving back to the environment.